In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Security Bank new app to GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap in GCash, how to find Security Bank as a cash-in partner, and what to expect on the confirmation screen, including the fee. Before we start, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection, your GCash app is updated, and your Security Bank account has enough funds to cover both the amount you want to move and the additional fee. Keeping your GCash account fully verified will also help avoid limits or interruptions. Begin by opening the GCash app on your phone. Give it a moment to load to the main dashboard. From there, look for the Cash In option. It's one of the main actions on the home screen and is the place where you add money to your GCash wallet from partnered banks and services. Once you're on the Cash In page, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the right partner. Type Security Bank. This filters the list so you don't have to scroll. When you see Security Bank appear in the results, tap it to proceed. You're now on the dedicated Security Bank cash-in page. Here, read the on-screen instructions carefully and follow the steps shown. The app will guide you through the process from start to finish, and it's important to move through each prompt without rushing. Review any details that the screen presents, such as the amount you're adding and the account you're funding, and confirm only when everything looks correct. Take note that Security Bank will charge you 25 pesos for this transaction. This fee is applied by the bank and you'll see it indicated on the screen. Make sure you have enough balance in your Security Bank account to cover both your chosen amount and that 25 peso fee. If you're transferring close to your remaining balance, consider adjusting the amount so the fee doesn't cause the transaction to fail. As you follow the prompts, avoid switching apps or locking your screen until the process is complete. After confirming, give it a moment to process. You should see a success message and your GCash balance should reflect the new amount shortly. If anything isn't clear on the instruction page, pause and read it again before confirming. Clear, accurate details help your transfer go through smoothly the first time. And remember, any fee notice you see there is the most up-to-date guidance for this transaction. That's it. Open GCash, tap Cash In, search for Security Bank, select it, then read and follow the on-screen instructions, keeping in mind the 25 peso charge from Security Bank. With these steps, your funds should move to your GCash wallet quickly and reliably.